Hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm going to be showing you how to make use of Mooncoin on SatoWallet app. Well, first we're going to have to visit the SatoWallet website at satowallet.com, and there are three versions of the app. That is one on Play Store, one on App Store, and that is the PC Windows version. And we're going to use the PC Windows version because they kind of have the same interface, and I've already installed the PC version on my PC and signed in. So here's the PC version. All you need to do to sign in is just get an email address, set up a password, and then you're good to go. And this Google Auth right here is another layer of security to make sure your funds are very secure. Your funds are on cold storage. Well, here's the amount I have in my wallet right now, and these are the list of coins available on the app. So we're gonna look for Mooncoin. Okay, let's start with M. Let's go. Okay, here's Mooncoin, and there is you can either scroll down to look for a coin, or you can just use this search bar at the top right here and type in the name of the coin you want to look for. Okay, right now we're looking for Moon, and Moon is right here. So okay, this is the my Moon balance right now. Okay, and this is the equivalent balance of this Mooncoin in USD. And here is the list of transactions. You can click here to show all transactions. Okay, and then go back. Okay, if you want to send a coin to a friend, you can just click send right here and type in the address. But this is not exactly what an address looks like. It's just an example. Then type in the amount. Okay, amount shows in USD as well, and this is the fee deducted. So if you want to reduce the amount, you can just click here, and if you want to add, you click here. And transaction comment, you can add a transaction comment, for example, say hey anything, and then click on transfer to beginner transfer. And this is the receiving part. If you're gonna receive a coin from someone, the person you are receiving the coin from will actually have to scan this barcode right here, but make use of this my address to send you the coin. So this is pretty much about sending and receiving. So we're gonna jump to swap coins. Okay, swap coins from currency to currency, amount to swap. Okay, this from currency, this is the coin we are swapping from. Okay, right now, okay, we click here and choose coin. Okay, right now we're using Mooncoin, so we're gonna look for Mooncoin. It's a long list of coins, so we just go for M. Okay, Mooncoin is here, and to currency, the coin we're swapping to. You can choose any other coin since we are doing an example, but if you're gonna do it yourself, then you just choose the one you want to swap to. Okay. Okay, now we're writing the amount. Okay, say 34 Mooncoin to Bitcoin. Okay, this is the fee deducted, and you can either increase or decrease. Okay, I'm going to show you something. Okay, if you actually exceed your balance, you can't swap. It will show you amount exceeds your balance right here, and the swapping function is not gonna show up. So you actually have to take it within the limit of your amount. Okay, 38 Mooncoin is equivalent to 0.0012 USD, and it's also equivalent to 0.0014 Bitcoin. So this is swapping, and let's see how we can exchange. Okay, this is the market. Okay, these are the list of coins we can exchange with. So now we're using Mooncoin, so let's look for Moon. Okay, Dodge and Mooncoin. Okay, this here, the bids and the ask. These are the list of transactions on SatoWallet between Dodge to Mooncoin. This list refreshes every 24 hours, so this is just for today. Not even the day hasn't ended yet, so there's still more to come. Okay, this is the buying part, and this is the selling part. So if you're going to sell, if you're going to buy, you type in the amount, and it will show you in dollar here, which is very good, and the price Dodge price, dollar here too, amount, price. Okay, buy, you click this buy, and sell, you click this sell. Okay, clicking on either one of this, the buy or the sell, is gonna make you an order. Okay, if you need to check your order, you just go to my orders, and your order is gonna show up right here. And then if you don't want to go on with your order, there'll be a cancel button right here, then you can cancel. And if you want to make another order, you just go back to trade order again, and it will show up here again. Okay, so this is the history between trade history between Dodge and Mooncoin. Okay, these are the types, prices, and amounts. Okay, the types are the asks and the bids. Okay, and the prices, you can see they are the figures, amount, they are figures too. And okay, let's check currency. Okay, I'm going to show you how to change fiat currency from one currency to another currency. Okay, right now I'm using USD, and it's a long list of currencies here, so we can choose any currency to make an example. Let's go with this LAK. Okay, it's gonna take some seconds to change. Awesome, currency has been changed. Okay, let's go back to my coins and see how it works. Okay, so before here it was showing USD, and now it's showing this LAK currency because I changed my fiat currency from USD to LAK. Okay, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.